Bonafide Hustler here, and I'm here with Eric the College Picker.
What's up?
We're gonna go thrifting here in Arkansas. We're actually outside of our very first thrift store, so come with us. Let's go. We're at the Potter's House thrift store.
You can't see anything because of that video.
We're at the Potter's House thrift store. We are here, trust me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button. Here with College Picker, you can go check out his channel right here. I'll put it on the Instagram thing. The College Picker on YouTube, right? Yep. And then Instagram, the College Picker, right?
I'm doing it on Instagram right now.
There you go. All right, we're gonna go to the thrift store and see if we can find some cheddar. It's about 38 degrees today, so that calls for checkered vans. Hey man, this parking lot is jam-packed. Like jammed. There's not even a spot anywhere. There were some bikes up here, but I didn't see anything good. All right, so hopefully find something good. The last time I was here, I didn't find anything, but then there was a Goodwill down the street, like all kinds of good stuff down there. So maybe we'll find something good here today. You never know. What's your CCP?
Karate insecticide. It's a pretty cool patch.
It's cool. A little Woolrich right here, 10 bucks. It's pretty good. This could make it to my booth.
This is actually a decent average probably, but it's $30.
Anything yet, CP?
Yeah, just the prices aren't right.
You've seen some things that the prices just aren't the best. So looking at the little backs to buck section, don't see anything here yet. We got plenty of tricks up our sleeve today. Should find some pretty good things, I would imagine. Kind of doing the same thrift route that I did the last time I was in town. And I found some good stuff that time for sure. Let's see if I find anything good here. Oh my gosh, look. It's territory ahead, guys. Let's buy it. It's so vibrant, look. Don't buy that stuff. Don't do it.
So there were some Allen Edmonds shoes, an untucked shirt, and some Patagonia pants. The prices are just not right.
Not good. We can go to the next one. There's a Goodwill down the road. Go check it out. I need to look at the jackets though, all the jackets. It's jacket season, man. I just sold a jacket for how much yesterday? Huh? How much?
$2.79.
That's right.
40 bucks.
Exactly. It's a cool BF Goodrich. This would do really well in my booth. 15 bucks, but man.
Schmutz on the back.
Huh?
It's got schmutz on the back.
Who cares? That's really cool though. It's just, they're taxing too much. Must take a look. Oh, they're kind of messed up. I can already tell. See this right here? There, that thing. You don't want that. Oh, they have an issue right there. Dang. See how much they would have been. 20 bucks? That's too much. 52. All right, what'd you find?
You got 2 Robert Grahams. They're actually good ones with flip cups. You got embroideries. They've got some pearly buttons. There's a lot of detail on them. I don't pick them up if they're like super boring. And they're both size 2XL, so I'm gonna lot them together. It'll be like 80 to 100 bucks.
All right, next stop, Goodwill. Eric made a funny joke, like, who's gonna find the most Robert Grahams today? I was like, you can have them all, Eric.
They sell. I mean, if it sells, it sells. And they sell.
How much? Do you like making? How much do you make on these things?
Those will sell for at least 40 bucks a piece. So 80 bucks is a bundle. It's like one listing.
There's a cookie on the ground. You want it? I found some cool boots last time I was here. Next stop, Plato's Closet. We didn't find anything that Goodwill. We went in and out real fast. We're gonna go in here, and then maybe a Salvation Army. We're gonna find something today. I don't know what it's gonna be. Well, he already found some Robert Graham stuff. Like so many shoes here. Multisport, North Face Multisport right here. Gore-Tex, $22. Too bad North Face is not the greatest brand when it comes to multisport. It's up there.
How much are they asking for these?
It's up there. This one's a pretty nice one though, but it's not full zip. It's kind of cool. Interesting shoe. Eric walked out finding something. What'd you get, man?
Some triple aught design.
Triple aught design, A-U-G-H-T. A-U-G-T, right?
Something super sleek. Like the thing is like they're so discreet. There's like no.
Yeah, there you go.
There's no logos, no branding.
T&D.
Even that, you don't even see it. You just see the freaking triangle.
Yep, triple aught design pants. How much you pay?
21 after tax.
And what do you think I'll sell them for?
About 80 bucks.
Nice. All right, the next thrift store is this Compassion Center thrift store. I wasn't able to find anything here last time. Actually, I think we got a Kipling backpack, but we're gonna try to see if we can find anything good here today. Come on, Eric, let's go.
Walmart carts.
It's so unorganized. It's crazy. Yeah, so I found this Cooper leather jacket, but it's not like really bomber style. It's more just like an everyday style. It could probably sell for maybe 50 bucks, maybe. $9 here. I think I'm gonna pass on it though, but you know, still something. Very interesting kind of jacket just sitting here. So I just located this for CP. This is a Abercrombie old school. This is called the something vest, the Summit Rock vest. It is a down vest, size medium. They're going for 35 plus about 10 shipping on eBay.
It's a classic keeper, personal use.
Yeah, it's gonna be like nice and warm. Look at how big the zippers were back in the day. The quality Abercrombie had super big zippers. So
this is actually the desirable Abercrombie stuff.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Zippers, it's got the big buttons.
Yeah. Well, hopefully you can wear it. Yeah. It's your size. Yeah. All right, we're out of here.
Oh, disgusting.
Eric's holding a Fly Racing Formula helmet that I popped on. Should be able to resell this thing for around 50 plus. It's nice. It even has some carbon fiber pieces on it. A little cracked visor, but nothing crazy. This was $5 out the door. So yeah, somewhere around 50 or 100 bucks resale. And he is definitely getting that vest. You gonna put it on?
I'm putting it on right now.
Come on, put it on. What's it gonna feel like? Who knows? Who knows?
The plumage.
The plumage. It is down.
The plume. It's like 35, 65.
I think it's 65 already. Oh, it's nice. Looks good. Just came from this pawn shop right here. We didn't go in there. Obviously, you can't take it's really hard to take a camera in a pawn shop. But anyways, Eric popped on this pretty modern Dell Inspiron computer with an i5.
It's got an i5 8th gen.
Touchscreen. Dual camera. Or something
spies,
like that. Yeah, interesting.
It's pretty.
Are you gonna use it for yourself for a little bit?
No, I'm gonna hook somebody up on Instagram.
Okay.
Probably mark it up 50 or 100 bucks and then hook them up.
Cool. And you were saying 15. That it was you could tell this was a pretty recent computer.
Yeah.
Because
I mean, you can flip it over. It says right here, manufactured 2017.
Okay, that's pretty decent.
Old.
All right, the next pawn shop is right here. There's like a pawn shop here, a pawn shop there. There are pawn shops all over the place. So we're just gonna go check this out and see if we can find anything in there.
Show this real quick.
Yeah. What's up? Oh, that's cool, man.
It's a 2-in-1. It's a convertible tablet.
Nice. All right, pretty cool. From this pawn shop right here, I got a Dum Dum Pop. That's a cotton candy, so I automatically win the day. But Eric got a paintball gun.
Wait, what'd you get? Dum Dum?
Yeah, it's good. How much? 50 bucks? 50 it's marked at 50 bucks. How'd you get charged 50 bucks?
Because you did 40 plus tax. It's like 10% tax here.
So, what's so great about this gun?
It's not that great. It's like an older DP, but it's an all right paintball gun.
Okay.
I kind of regret it right now, but anyways.
I spent 30 bucks on this RC motor. It's a Magnum XL. And this motor should resell with the muffler. Here's the muffler, I'm holding onto it. Should resell for about 1 to 120. These things are awesome. It's pretty big. This is one of the bigger ones. But fuel lines look extremely clear. The compression seems pretty good. You can rotate the propeller and you can feel the compression. Go for it. See how tight that is right there?
It comes out the exhaust when you do it.
Well, you can kind of hear it. But anyway, so yeah, those are some of the things I look for when I do RC flips. But pretty nice. Let's go to the next store down the road. So I'm back in Austin, and yeah, Bentonville was fun. It was a really short thrift day. We went to a couple more pawn shops after, and we didn't film because we didn't find anything there, and we didn't film. So anyways, it was a quick hot shot that we did down there during our vacation. We went down there to do some mountain biking, but the next time that I go down there, I'm gonna try to do that same thrift route. I couldn't find this one, I think it was a Goodwill that I just wasn't able to find. It was towards the tail end of when I went last Christmas. There was a Goodwill in that thrift run that we did. Couldn't find it. And I wanted to go to that one, but I just couldn't find it. So anyway, it is what it is. But I hope you enjoy the video. It is rather short. But still, leave a like, put a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.